case someone is currently using your loom, which is right now not the case, you can always still make these because all you need is this middle hook. If you do it correctly, it'll look like this, or even better. If you do it wrong, it might look like this, or even worse. Let's get started. Okay, so you take one of the two blacks and you go one, 2, and 3. And it looks like you have 3 bands. You have 1, 2, and 3. You push it up and down. Then you take the second one and you go 1, 2, 3. And, oopsie. Okay, and you push it down. And then it looks like you have 6 bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you take the next 3 and you put them on your hook. First you take them between 2 fingers, and then you put them on your hook, and then you hook them onto 1 finger as so. Then you have to get all 6 of them onto the yellow bands. If this is hard, it's easy to pinch, push, and pull a bit, as if you're playing tug of war. Play tug of war on those black bands. Okay, it should look like this, and then push a bit in the middle. Now reclaim. When I say reclaim, that means put it back on the hook. It should look like this. Okay. Next, take the 3 you have here. 1, 2, 3. Put them onto 2 fingers, go onto the hook on 1, and then you take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, all yellow ones, and put them on. It should look like this. Now push a bit down, push them into the middle, and reclaim. There, you already have 2, almost finished. Now you take the next 3 yellows, your last 3, 2 fingers, hook, 1 finger, and then you take 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, a bit in the middle, and reclaim. Okay, and now you have 1 black and 2 clears left, am I correct? If you followed my instructions exactly, this should be correct. You take the black, and you put it on the hook and on 1 finger. Then you take the 3 yellows and put them on there. And then you take it 1 off the hook, 1 side, and you put them onto 2 fingers. Oops, no. Okay, 2 fingers, 1 finger. 2 fingers now. And then you go with this, you put it on the other finger so it's kind of an X. And then you pull this through. So it looks like this. Okay, now take 1 of these clears and put it next to you for safekeeping. Then there should be, you see 1, 2, these blacks, you go through with your hook. Only go through the 3 on your side that's closest to you. And pull and put it on 2 fingers. Then you take your clear, you go through, put it each side on 1 finger, and then you go over X, and you go over and you pull a bit till you have a little knot. Okay, and then it should look kind of like this. Then you pull on both sides so it's even again, and you pull here to make sure it's normal again. Okay, so then you have it like this. Yes, right. Then you take the other 3 from the other side here, like this, and go through with the hook. Pull on 2 fingers, clear, through, on 1 finger, X, and knot. No! Okay, sometimes that happens. hold on 2 fingers, go through, you take your clear and you put them again on 2 fingers, an X, and this time I hope it works. Okay, this should work now, and pull. And there we have our knot. Pull again, and pull this a bit like the last one so it's normal again. And then you have it like this. You have 2 wings. And ta-da, there's your tiny bee. Congrats if you did it correct. If not, better luck next time. 2nd time's a charm, or 3rd time. Bye!